I am beyond excited to get a chance to see this style today and share her with all of you. Once again, Belle Tress is turning me into a blithering idiot, and I can't even be objective. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous style. Her name is Winston. She's from the Luxe SE collection from Belle Tress, which is probably my favorite collection at this point of all the collections out on the market. She is a stunner. Look at these layers. Soft wave. Such a perfect everyday casual style, and we get to learn all about her right now. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm so grateful to Chiquel for sending me Winston to review. Oh my gosh. Once again, I cannot help myself because it's such a cute style. And does this style remind you of anything? Think back to the 90s, to a very famous haircut. Do you see it? I think this looks so much like the Rachel, it's not even funny. And I'm really excited because I could have never pulled off hair like that until now. Look at these layers. She is just beautiful. But first of all, Chiquel is an online retailer that carries all the major name brands. They are wonderful. They do so much because they just offer tons of sales, tons of discounts. They do live sales every week with big discounts, lots of giveaways. They have in-person shops where you can actually go shop in person for wigs. I think they have 3 or 4 in Canada, 1 in the US, another one coming soon. They have an online store in the UK. For our UK and kind of European sisters out there who haven't always been able to get some of these styles, well, you can now, and a Canadian site as well as a US site. Definitely check them out, put them on your list. I'm really grateful for the support that they give me so that I can give you guys all the support that I do. So show them some love. I'd be so grateful. Let's take a look at Winston from all sides. I'll try to contain my excitement. I honestly think this wig is practically perfect in every way. I am not kidding. So wearable. This is out of the box. This is with a little combing. That's all I've done to this one. And she just falls beautifully, and it's not light density, so it's not a super low density. I'd say this is more moderate density, which I do find to be the case for the Luxe SE collection. So if you're looking for lighter density, I would take a look at and you want the hand-tied cap with the super thin silicone ear tabs, I would look at the Icons collection, at the styles in the Icons collection. The caps are somewhat similar. Some differences, but somewhat similar, and I do find those to be just a little bit lighter density. This is not an overly heavy density piece at all, but it is more moderate, and this does not have any traditional permatease, so you don't get a lot of poof up here, but you do get a nice little volume, which honestly, a layered cut like this, I think it really is beneficial, and it helps it just to look like you round brushed your hair, maybe put some big barrel curls in it, and then combed through them. It's amazing. This is the lace front. Belle Tress makes some of my absolute favorite lace fronts on the market of any wig, including human hair. They do a phenomenal job with their lace fronts. They're very, very good, very realistic. Just really a fantastic job. So this is inside the cap. What we have is a full monofilament top. You can part it anywhere that you want to part it. We have super thin ear tabs with silicone and bendable stays. These ear tabs are the thinnest ear tabs on the market, in my opinion. And if you wear glasses, if you wear hearing aids, if you like to tuck your hair, if you like to pull your hair back, there is nothing better than ear tabs like this, because you get the coverage that an ear tab gives without the bulk. They're great. I love them. There's an extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and we've got a little bit of closed wefting at the bottom, but the rest is hand-tied. So this is what's considered a mostly hand-tied cap. In my opinion, if you are looking for one of the most realistic looking wigs in all scenarios, whether you're going to be styling it out in a windy day, whatever it is that you're doing, a mostly hand-tied cap will really give you all of that. And so if you can swing it, the price point of hand-tied caps is higher than others often by about $100. I would say it's worth considering if you've never tried a hand-tied cap. The first time you wear a hand-tied cap and you touch your head, I don't think you'll ever be able to go back because it just feels so natural. And if you're someone who's worried about someone touching your head and feeling your wefting, that's not going to happen with this. Even though there is some closed wefting down here, the wefts are very small, much smaller than the typical open wefting, and they're not as easy to detect. And if you like to run your hands through your hair, if this is something you did with your bio hair and you miss doing that with wigs, you can absolutely do that with these. It's just wonderful. I just love these caps. The fit of the Luxe SE collection is fairly true to average in my opinion. I do get quite a bit of extra cap up here, so you can be a fair amount bigger than me over the top of your head and still fit into the and be able to fit into the Luxe SE. All the Belle Tress collections have a little bit of different fit, so don't make an assumption if one Belle Tress wig fits you, they all will. You really need to know which collection that wig is part of because the caps are different. I also have to cinch these in a fair amount, but I will tell you, when I wear a wig grip, it just doesn't matter. They just fit me fine. They're super comfortable. They don't go anywhere. You can find all of my measurements down in the description box below and see how they compare to yours. If you have really large head measurements, I would take a look at their Luxe collection. So they have a Luxe collection and they have a Luxe SE. That Luxe SE fits a bit smaller than the Luxe. Now, these are heat-friendly synthetic fibers. And something to be aware of with heat-friendly fibers is you don't get the shine that you sometimes see on regular synthetic. So if you have struggled with what looks to you like unnatural shine on wigs, that doesn't happen with the heat-friendly synthetic wigs, just regular synthetic. The other thing to be aware of is friction is really hard on heat-friendly synthetic fibers. The more friction you get, the more fraying those fibers they fray, they frizz, some people call it frazzly, and that can be really challenging on the life of the wig. I think this one is a good length because you're not getting a lot of friction. It's not super long. You're going to get a tiny little bit of friction on the very, very ends of this piece, and I think that's manageable. You can remedy that by taking heat to a heat-friendly synthetic. The problem is when you do that, you alter a curl pattern. So I would, if you're going to take a little heat to this, I would be really judicious. I would only use a hot air brush, a giant barreled one, and I'd keep it moving and turning and twisting as you do that to try to avoid straightening completely this piece unless you want it straight. My goal in 2026 is to wear as much heat-friendly synthetic as I can and learn how to care for these. Whether I know how to do straight. Straight is easy, and I actually have a video showing that. Straight is a piece of cake. Everybody can do it. It's the curly ones that are tricky, and so I will be coming out with a lot more content to help you with that because my favorite really is heat-friendly synthetic. So I want to make sure that we can care for it and just keep that in mind. I do think this is an okay length for that. I don't think you're getting a lot of friction on this one. And I actually think it's a length that you can style up a little bit too. If you like kind of a half up, half down, I really think you can do that with this one. Pull it up in some clips. I think she'd be really pretty that way. And I do think you can do somewhat of a low ponytail. With this one, you are going to find that the hair is a little short, so you might get some wispies, but quite frankly, I think that is really, really attractive, maybe even a little sexy depending on how it falls. And Belle Tress makes some of my favorite wigs for wearing in ponytails in the summer. What I want you to do is I want you to check out my video on Dalgona 16 hand-tied. I just recently made a video showing how I wear that one in a ponytail. It's the only way I wear that one. I will link it below, but I think it can be a great option for summer, and I do think you can do that with this one. But you will have some that fall forward, so if you don't like that, if you want it straight, all back, sleek, Dalgona 16 is that wig for you, and so go watch that video. I promise you, you'll be blown away by how natural that looks, and it may just be your new ponytail wig. That's the only way I wear it. Summarize. If you're looking for a great casual wig, everyday piece, doesn't look like you tried too hard, but you still look good, You can wear it with makeup or without makeup. I do think this is that wig. I think this is going to be a wonderful piece for a lot of people. The problem with Belle Tress, they sell out a lot. They discontinue a lot. So if you want to try this one and the color you're looking at is in stock, I would get it because I just don't know how long it'll be in stock. So definitely take that into consideration. I have got, there we go. Sometimes those fibers, just I can see them and they bother me. That's my biggest complaint about Belle Tress is they're very popular and they have a very limited number of colors and they seem to sell out a lot. So if you think you might like this one, I think you should go for it. It's great. Let's talk about this color. Brown Sugar Cookie Rooted. I've had so many wigs in this color. Honestly, I've probably reviewed 6 or 7 already in this color. It is a gorgeous, heavily highlighted blonde, and a blonde is a brown blonde blend. The codes on this one 4/16/613 with an 8 root. I am so grateful to have found the codes for some of these Belle Tress colors. It helps so very much. So basically we have got a base of a 4, which is a dark brown. The darkest brown is a 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's the brunette color codes. So we're almost at the darkest brown, but it is so heavily highlighted with a 16, which is kind of a medium blonde. And then the 613 is basically a blonde stripped of all color, which is the kind of the highlighting. And then an 8 root. So don't let this fool you. This isn't a brunette in my opinion, maybe a light brown, but it is more of that light brown, dark blonde with heavy highlights. I think it will work for blondes and brunettes both. I think at the brunettes, you guys would be, and I'm in that camp as a brunette, looking at this one for summer, and blondes maybe looking at this one for winter because, you know, it's going to make you go a little darker. It's very warm. It's a warm color. They've done a phenomenal job with that root because it's not a heavy root. It's just a shadow. It doesn't look like regrowth or anything like that. This is a beautiful, warm, kind of golden, honey, caramel, brown sugar. Those are all the food that I would compare this color to. There's some honey tones. Did I say honey? It's beautiful. Let's get outside so we can see this color outside. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget about Chiquel. See you guys soon. All right, I totally forgot to film the outside look of this wig. I've had this review filmed and waiting for weeks and weeks. I have worn this wig 6, 7 times. I have absolutely fallen in love with this one. Love this one so much. I did just recently get her in another color, so a color I haven't seen before, so I'll have to do that video. But oh, just love Winston so much. She's so easy to wear, just so casual, kind of messy, kind of casual. Love it. There's that root. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.